Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very cool feature that had been introduced as an update in Canva. And that feature is the 3D feature to elements. So let's start by opening something. Let's say we'll go with a simple presentation. And while you are here, you can come all the way down to apps. You can see Magic Media over here. So you can click on Magic Media and then you can see it over here, 3D. It's a very new feature. So you can click on it and then you can ask the question to design something. For example, and you can say inspire me. If you want a green Wi-Fi signal icon, you can have this, or you can have another one, a cat in a farm. Okay, cat in a farm walking, for example. And then you can come down here and say generate the 3D and just give it some seconds and it is going to surprise you with the 3D. And you can see surprisingly, it gave us an image of a cat kind of walking inside the farm with some very basic things. It's a 3D view. You can clear this and generate again if you were interested, or you can go ahead and click on this to have it added to the canvas. And you can see right now it's been added to the canvas. Now you notice this mover, this sliding object that you can use to kind of navigate around to see all axes, all angle of the 3D view. It's very, very easy. One thing I noticed is that you can always come over here, reset the rotation from whatever angle that you have. You can always reset it to the default one, or you can rotate directly by clicking and it's going to also enable you to rotate, or you can check here and check from the available angles. This is front, this is right angle, this is back. Okay, so you can from here be able to move across. I can always come back to the default if you're interested. So this is very, very wonderful. And another thing I found out is that when you export this, it stays at flat based on the angle that you have inserted. So that's one way to access the 3D. Another way to access it is by coming to the elements over here. And then you can go ahead and search for 3D. You can see it over here, or you can search the elements for it. You can see 3D here. You can just click. You can see quite a number of different types of 3D elements. In each case, you can see creative abstract, food and lifestyle, characters and emojis. Anyone you select, you can actually kind of visualize the 3D. So let's say we'll go with this ice cream or something. You can just click and it's going to be added to your canvas. All right, and you can see it's been added. You can use the same wheel to kind of navigate around to see the different angle of the ice cream or something. Okay, so you can see the wonders behind this. You can export this also at any given angle and you have the same feature that you have earlier on. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the major update on the introduction of 3D objects in Canva. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.